Good morning, Business Office Specialist students. Hope you all are doing well today. Today we're going to be doing a formula that has more than one step to it. It does have the same operator. It's going to be a lot of minusing within the same formula, but it would work the same way if you had different operators. So basically, instead of a one-step formula, more than one step. Before we start the math part, let's go ahead and get our headings set up correctly. So let's select all the way to I, since down here it goes all the way to I. And then we're going to merge it. I think I just lost that selection. Go all the way to I. Let's merge it, and then we will center it. And don't forget to bold it. Make it size 15 for emphasis. Make it really stand out. And then this one, let's go ahead and select all the way to I as well. Merge it, make it one giant cell. That way when you center it, it'll center in the middle of that whole big range. Okay, we have one problem here. Let's insert one extra row. Okay, we always want to leave an extra or an empty row before we start our headings, our next headings, which are the column headings. Now these three right here, they have something above, so it's called a stacked column heading. So let me just show you how these work. You still go and center all of them, but when you do the underlining, you only underline the bottom row. Control U. Do not underline this top row, it will look strange. Okay, so you're going to make up 5 employee names here. So I'll leave that for you to do. And then you have to get all of these filled out by running formulas, making formulas and running the formulas. Okay, so gross income. This is how many hours the employee worked. This is how much they make per hour. So the gross income, or how much they earned. Start with your equal sign, click the cell that has the hours, times it by how much they make per hour, hit enter. Very good, $400. Okay, now federal tax, they're going to hold out a percentage of how much you make. It's not always 15, but for this example, we're just doing 15. A lot of adults, depending on how much they earn, their tax bracket is higher. So federal tax might be 25%. Okay, so equals and click the gross income and then do a times 0.15. That decimal is really important. Otherwise, your number will be very, very big. Okay, they're going to hold out $60. How rude, federal government. State tax equals gross income times 0.0495. So I'm just looking at this number up here, putting it in decimal form. They're going to hold $19.80 for the state of Utah to build roads and build schools and take care of the poor and welfare and all that. Okay, Social Security equals 400 times it by, it says 0.0620. Social Security is going to hold out $24.80. So when you are 65 years old and you don't work anymore, you can get this money back as sort of an income. Okay, your net pay, this is your take-home pay, how much you actually get to have after you earned $400. So for this one, we're going to do equals. We're going to click gross income, subtract federal tax, subtract state tax, subtract Social Security, enter. Okay, so there you have it. Your net pay is $295.40. Now you can just use the fill handle, love the fill handle, to figure out the rest. Those that don't watch the video because they think it takes too long, the joke is on them. They're going to have to do each one individually, but you guys are smart because you watch the video. Okay, some of these are currency, and we should change it to look like currency. So anything that's money, gross income. In fact, it would be all of these. Let's just get them all in one big swipe. And then if you hold Control down, you can select, oh, I was thinking this one. So no need to hold Control down, just select. All of these are currency. Go up to your Format menu and change number over here to currency. And let's not do the one where it rounds it up to the nearest dollar. We want to see the actual cents. There we go. That looks much better. Okay, that should be all. If you guys have any questions, just send me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Once you're finished, go ahead and share it with me. This one is due next Tuesday, but send it to me as soon as you finish, even if it's earlier than that. Okay, thank you. Have a wonderful day. See ya.